Happy New Year, everyone. Today we've got the Cleveland Twist Drill Company drill index. These drill indexes are so cool. I saw a few of them online, but wasn't pleased with their price and thought, oh man, I'm going to find one. And then I did. Unfortunately, the one I found is in horrible condition. And this won't be a restoration. This is just a rescue. I'm going to do what I can to make it function and just be happy with that. These drill indexes are so cool. If you look them up online, they were copper plated and just so kind of old world. No one's gonna, like, you think DeWalt's gonna be like, let's copper plate some, drill index. No, you're gonna get a yellow box that will break and you will lose everything in it. Anyway, the holes for the drill bits were actually so bad I had to go in and re-drill them out because they were just packed with just junk and crap and just everything. So I spent a lot of time drilling holes in a thing with holes already in it, but I'm pleased. It's clean. It's going to sit on my bench for drill bits and do its job. It's certainly better than my drawer of random drill bits that I am dealing with now. I can just pull this thing out. Most of the numbers are still very readable, and I can also use my drill bit guide as usual. Thank you for watching.